Let's walk it. So, yeah, slick as snot right here. Hello everyone! I keep talking about going fishing when I go to that river. So, a few minutes ago, I bought my fishing license online, packed up one of my rods, and that's what we're gonna do. We're going fishing. Let's check out this airplane first. Looks like they're getting ready to take off. It's really pretty outside today, so looks like they're about to take off. Cool tail dragger. I don't know if you can see on my shadow. I've got my fishing pole sticking out of my backpack. So, kept talking about it, and I keep finding places to go fishing, so a few minutes ago I said, alright, I'll go ahead and get my fishing license and we'll try it out. Take you guys along. The temperature is a little awkward. Like, I'm all bundled in my winter gear, but it's sunny outside, so it gets hot when you're just standing there, but the wind chill is still a factor. So we're gonna go fishing, but first I want to check out that river crossing we found the other day, and it was blocked off. We haven't had very much rain recently. I'm cracking myself up. My shadow where my little rod is. Yeah, first we're going to check out the river crossing, because we haven't had it rain in a few days. We had snow, but not a whole lot. So let's check that out. Cyclist is booking it. Dude's going like 40 miles an hour. That's awesome. Friend. My shadow's cracking me up. Got helmet, backpack, fishing pole. And this one is short too. A few years ago I accidentally closed my door on it. So it snipped off the first segment or two, but it still works fine. There's a river. Well, one of them we're going to today. Ah, here we go. It's open. Oh, there's people down here fishing too. I'm hesitant to go across this. It's my, I bet that's slicker and snot. Dude, I do want to try the crossing, but I'll have to take my time. And I'd rather not embarrass myself in front of a bunch of people. Alright, let's do some fishing. Been seeing a lot of cyclists lately. I was on a ride yesterday and I saw like 10 in a group. I'm so excited for the warm weather. I know I keep talking about it and I'm gonna keep talking about it. I just put the first of a few meets on my calendar. First one is next weekend. Bike meets. I didn't like throw a bunch of turkey slices on my calendar. It didn't work that way. Just super excited for it to be warm and for just to hang out with other riders. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a great year. This bridge still has snow on it. Love this bike. All right. Maybe I can find some worms or something under these rocks. It's pretty rocky, so I'll have to be sure to keep it off the bottom. I told you I broke off the tip a few years ago closing it in my car door. This is one of those instances. A little more length would do me good, because then I can Just let it drift. Let the current take it and hold it in one place. It's pretty fast moving. I feel like bass, I'm kind of going for bass. I feel like bass like more still water. It's a little calmer over here. Aw, yeah. I caught a stick. Excellent. Well, folks, no signs of life. Figured I could at least see some minnows or something, but it's pretty empty, so. Last cast. Well, I wouldn't want to eat one of these either. That was fun though. It's always fun to go fishing. Even when you don't catch anything, fishing spots are always pretty. That was good though. It's so peaceful here. Maybe next time I'll bring my stove and make some tea. Well, sorry we didn't catch anything, guys. Other than that stick. That was exciting, huh? Maybe we'll have more fishing adventures with more lucrative spots. Let's go check out that other crossing, just to see. I can't get it out of my head. One way or another, I want to cross that stream. Because it's totally unrealistic that if you come across something like that, and your destination is on the other side, that you shouldn't know how to do it. So, we'll see. Fishing pole. I should set up some kind of mobile ham radio antenna like this. I'm actually kind of nervous thinking about this. Just keep slow and steady. Keep my feet down and waddle it if I have to. Alright. Ooh, already got the ABS kicking on with this mud. Cool place. Let's walk it. So, yeah, slick as snot right here. It's not too bad right here. Just take it slow. Alright. Wish me luck. Yeah, if I go this middle, ain't bad at all. Like where all the other cars have been going. It's got a few tricky spots, but just take it slow. There we go. So yeah, that wasn't bad. I did feel it some, but something I didn't think about until I was walking across is just following the lines of the tires of the people who have come before. That helps get rid of the slippage, but it was definitely something I would not want to take any faster than that. Feet down, slow and steady. Cool, good deal. Do a little bird out, get that mud off. Also be careful because I don't know how much mud is up on the sides of my tire. I'm gonna ride pretty conservatively. Phew, that was a little nerve-wracking. Especially, y'all are thinking like, this guy's crazy. A few weeks ago when I dropped my bike in the snow, like all that was coming back, but worked through it. Because stuff like that will come up, especially as you ride in more rural areas. And yes, there are better bikes to do it with, but do what you can with what you got, one of my bosses used to say. And now I feel a little bit more confident. Like my confidence is coming back from the drop, and it's important to mitigate risks, but it's also important to acknowledge that just because the surface is tricky doesn't mean that you're absolutely going to fall. If you take it slow, you walk it, but if you need to, you can overcome. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Just ticked over 400 subscribers, and it's growing, and that's so cool to me that 400 people have chosen to watch my stuff and enough to hit subscribe, and that's really cool. Super cool. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.